Welcome to Content Catalyst, your go-to guide for smart learning and career skills. If you are in engineering, architecture, or design, learning AutoCAD is a game changer. Let's walk through everything you need to know, from beginner to advanced. Mastering AutoCAD basics. Start with 2D drafting. Learn how to use tools like line, circle, trim, and offset. Perfect for students and entry-level professionals building a strong foundation. From 2D to 3D design. Once you are confident with 2D, explore AutoCAD's 3D capabilities, visualize, rotate, and model your structures with depth and precision. Top 10 AutoCAD shortcuts and productivity hacks. Want to work faster? Master time-saving shortcuts like Ctrl+Z, TR, and Copy. These small tricks lead to big efficiency. Customizing AutoCAD with LISP and macros. Automate boring tasks with scripting. With LISP or macros, you can customize commands and boost productivity like a pro. Fixing common AutoCAD errors. Frustrated by broken lines, misaligned objects, or disappearing toolbars? Learn how to fix common issues without wasting hours. Whether you are just starting or looking to upskill, AutoCAD mastery starts here. Like, share and subscribe to Content Catalyst for more design, tech, and career building tutorials.